Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. We're going to be doing a quick and easy grilled chicken. I'm going to be using my CalmDo multifunctional electric skillet and grill. You can find out more information about it in the description box. There's a $25 off coupon that's available on the actual Amazon website, and also a discount code to get a discount off of items on their official website. So this is a grill plate here, and it's only one-sided, so you can only use that side of the grill. And then it comes with this skillet. You can use it for a lot of different things. It has a glass lid on it. You can do like your pancakes and things, or if you want to do a hot pot. You can do so much with it. So I am preheating my CalmDo grill on high. So I have a quarter cup of soy sauce. I'm not using low sodium, I'm using regular soy sauce because that's going to be all the salt. A tablespoon of brown sugar. And I have here 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I have a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. The baking soda will make the chicken extra tender. So we're just going to combine these ingredients together. And also I'm going to add to this 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any type of high smoke oil. You can use or you can use olive oil. It depends on what you're looking for here for flavors. But I'm just using vegetable oil. So I have 4 chicken breasts. And I basically took 2 medium-sized chicken breasts and I split it in half and pounded out thin. So we're just going to add the chicken breasts to the little marinade here. And this is a quick marinade. It's not going to take long at all to marinate this chicken. So I'm just giving everything a toss. And I'm going to let this sit in this marinade for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes is long enough. Plus, there's the baking soda in here, so we don't want to leave it in too long. Now, if you don't want to use baking soda, by all means, leave it out. You can change all the ingredients you want. Just make it yours. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. And let me know what you'd like to see in future recipes. So I'm going to let this marinate, and we'll be back. Okay, so the grill has been preheating, as I said previously. Our chicken breasts have sat in here for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to just place the chicken breasts onto the grill. I think I want to have the grill marks that way. So now I'm going to let this go. We're going to cook it about 5 to 6 minutes per side. If you're using chicken breasts that are thicker, of course it's going to take longer. So we're going to let this go for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we're going to give them a flip. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes. I'm going to tell you, it smells so good in here. Wow. Look at that. It has a beautiful crust on the outside. That's from the brown sugar. It's going to be so delicious. So I'm going to let this go for another 5 to 6 minutes. So we will be back. So I'll let this go for another 5 minutes. And look at that. Beautiful. And I took the temperature using a meat thermometer, and it's at 163 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to allow this to sit for a couple of minutes, and just let the chicken rest, and it will hit 165. But it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I like the grill a lot. In case you're wondering, the material that the grill and the skillet pot is made out of, it's aluminum casting. It's non-stick and it's dishwasher safe. I ran it through my dishwasher and had no problems. So this chicken's really tender. You see I sliced it with the butter knife with no effort. It's so delicious. The soy sauce really gave it plenty of salt. I love all the flavors from the garlic and the brown sugar, and the brown sugar gives the outside of this chicken a really lovely sear. So I'm gonna make a broccoli salad. I'm gonna serve it with a broccoli salad. But guys, please, please, please try this recipe. Don't forget to check the description box for all the details about the CalmDo electric grill and skillet. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you all live and be well.